Welcome to Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art, and I'm Mr. Woods.
And I'm Micaiah Woods, one of Mr. Woods' wonderful daughters.
And we're doing another origami episode, so what are we going to create?
Today, we will be creating a fortune teller.
Awesome! So what materials we need?
We will be needing a square sheet of paper.
That's it? So let's go find those materials, and now let's begin. Okay, we're about ready to get started, and what we have here is a sheet of origami paper, but you can use any type of white paper like printer paper, computer paper, something that's going to make it easy to fold. With ours, we have green on one side, and it's going to face the table, and the white is going to be up, but make sure it is a square. So go ahead, Micaiah, walk us through this.
Okay, first thing you'll do is you will fold it halfway.
All right, we're going to start with the fold. We're going to fold it in half. Make sure you roll, hold, fold, and then crease.
And then you'll go ahead and unfold it.
So unfold it and keep the white side up.
Then you'll turn it and fold it in half the other way.
Okay, fold in half the other direction.
Now you'll unfold it again. Then keep the white side up. Then you're going to take the corner and bring it to the middle.
All right, so take the corner to the middle and fold that as well.
And you're going to do this all the way around.
All right, easy. All right, last fold. There you go.
Okay, once you've done this, you're going to turn it over. And you're going to do the exact same thing. Bring the corner to the middle.
Okay, corners to the middle again. And make sure you get really sharp creases on the paper here because it's, starting to be kind of like a couple sheets thick. And it's going to help to create this little origami project or any origami project.
Okay, once you've done this, you're going to fold it in half.
And that should be easy to do because you already have that fold to begin with.
Then you're going to take it, and you're going to take the green side and kind of floof it out.
So you're putting a pointer finger and a thumb inside.
And then you're going to take both the edges together.
And kind of press them together.
You can flatten it, smooth it out once you got it.
All right, kind of show us how it works there. Awesome. Now, after you have it created, what do you do now? Okay, Micaiah has her finished one, and she's going to tell you a little bit about what the numbers mean and how to fill out the rest of the origami project to make it into an actual fortune teller. So go ahead and tell us, what are the numbers?
Okay, so first thing, you'll put numbers 1 through 4.
Okay, what next?
And then you'll open it up inside. And I did colors and shapes. So across are colors, and the other way is shapes.
Okay, so we got colors here directly across from each other. And then you have a circle, square, triangle, and star. And then they can put any color that they would like. And then after that?
Then the very inside, you're going to write your fortune.
All right, read off a couple of your fortunes.
Okay, a few will, you will receive $50. Or you will meet a celebrity.
So they don't have to be good. What are some of the other ones that would be kind of funny?
You'll be late to school.
Okay. So can you fold this back together and let's kind of run through it real quick.
Okay. What number?
4.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. What color?
Green.
Green. What shape?
Star.
Then you'll open it up, and where the star is, you'll open that one and you'll read that one off. It says, you will flunk your test.
Oh, man. Hey, it's super awesome that you decided to join both of us right here at Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art for another origami episode. And Makai, what did we create again?
Today we created a fortune teller.
Man, that's super awesome. So create your very own fortune teller and share it with your friends. And remember, if anyone can do it, it's you. So how does this fortune teller work again?
It works like this. Pick a number.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4.